What are you doing?
I decided I'm going to cut the legs off of this thing.
So I have some questions about your cutting the legs off. Why are we cutting the legs off?
Well, I want to be able to use it on my cooker without these getting in the way.
That's
and
a
I
good
have a
point.
whole bunch of camp ovens with legs, so I can spare one.
Why don't we just go buy one?
Well, there's a couple reasons. Like I said, I already have a whole bunch. And a flat bottom lid looks like this. That's hard to cook an egg on. This I can use as a small skillet. Safety first. Please don't do this to your grandpa's Wagner ware antique cast iron. This is pretty new. Flapper sanding wheel, using that because it don't tend to gouge as bad as a hard wheel would.
All right, Gene, what's our next step?
Now I need to burn on some oil to protect it.
What oil are you using?
I like to use avocado oil. This is super high temperature smoke point oil.
Nice.
It's getting there. That didn't turn out too bad. Now on to the part I've been waiting for. Biscuits on the camp stove. I don't think anybody's done it like this before, but I've been thinking about this. Heating this lid up on this side, getting it nice and hot so the biscuits will brown from the top. Butter my pan. Got the lid preheating on high, the pan preheating on low.
Add our cheese stuffed biscuits into the Dutch oven.
Got some butter melting on the lids. We're gonna have bougie cheese stuffed biscuits.
And we're going to take our melted butter, a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of parsley. Now we're going to baste our biscuits.
I'm just kind of twisting and moving it around every now and then just so it don't get any hot spots. After about 5 minutes, I decided to reheat the lid again.
Look at those biscuits.
Learning. Burnt the bottoms on them that time a little bit, too much. We're gonna try this again, a little bit different. Okay, do-over. That's why we like to do our experiments at home, so we can get it figured out, so we're not burning stuff out in the bush. Okay, I got the bottom on as low as it'll go without going out. Got the lid heating up on high. And when I go to reheat the lid this time, halfway through, 5 minutes in, I will just turn the pot burner off and let it cook from the top. See how that does. Let's go try number 2. Okay, they've been cooking on very low heat for about 6 or 7 minutes. I'll reheat the lid. Turn the pot heat off. Takes about 1 minute to reheat the lid on high heat. Okay, let's have a look at our second try. See how that turned out. Looking pretty good on the top.
Delicious.
See how the bottom looks. Still something. Still a little burnt. Not too bad though.
Not as bad as the last ones. Look at that gooiness.
Still got a little hot on the bottom, but definitely doable. Might have to play with the heat a little bit and try it a couple of times, but hell yeah.
Thanks for watching Got Damn It Off-Road, and have a Merry Christmas. Cheers.